Little Early English Education.
Whoa, look at this cool purple character. Hello, 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 super learners. Welcome back. Today, we are going to draw and color Numberblock 80. Did you know? Numberblock 80 is made of 8 groups of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Let's start drawing. First, draw one big rectangle for the main body. A wide, beautiful body. Perfect. Now draw 7 vertical lines inside the rectangle. This makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now draw 10 horizontal lines across. Counting 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 blocks. Now the face. Draw the infinity glasses with star spikes. Draw the big eyes, black pupils, and cool eyelashes on top. Now draw the happy smile and add the inside mouth detail with bite line. Draw the many curly arms on both sides. Now draw the legs at the bottom and the lower hand outlines. Add the watch on one arm. At the very top, write 8080. Our drawing is complete.
Hello everyone, I am Numberblock 80. I have 80 blocks and infinity glasses. Coloring time. Pick up black. Spell black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Color the eye pupils and inside the mouth area. Black. Spell purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Color the eye outlines, eyelashes, and smile outline. Purple. Now pick up maroon. Spell maroon. M-A-R-O-O-N. Maroon. Color the hands and legs. Maroon. Now pick up dark pink. Spell dark pink. D-A-R-K-P-I-N-K. Color the lower hand outlines. Dark pink.
Everything feels just right. Round and round the colors play.
Now pick up red for the watch. Spell red. R-E-D. Red. Color the watch. Red. Now the main body color. Pink. Spell pink. P-I-N-K. Fill the entire body with beautiful bright pink.
It's coloring time! Are you ready? Pick your favorite colors! And let's make every number block shine! Open every crayon box, choose a color, make your choice. Every shade can tell a story, every color has a voice. Paint the little squares with care, watch them brighten everywhere. Every brush and every stroke makes the happy picture glow. Red is dancing, blue is smiling, yellow brings a sunny day. Green is growing, orange glowing, purple loves to laugh and play. Color here, color there, happy colors everywhere. Bright and bold, soft and light, everything is looking bright. Color every number block, fill each little square. Make them happy, make them sparkle, show them that you care, Paint with joy, paint with fun, every color, everyone. Big adventures start today. Color, love, and learn through play. Little colors side by side, making rainbows full of pride. Every block becomes brand new, every dream comes shining through. Fill the corners, fill the middle, leave no tiny space behind. Every color works together, making beautiful designs. Splash of red, splash of blue, every picture smiles at you. Golden yellow, emerald green, the happiest we've ever seen.
And
Mix the
done.
colors,
Number
watch
block
them glow,
80 looks
see the
amazing.
magic start to glow.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.